Hello children, today we will talk about farm animals. Farm animals are those animals that live in farm and they are helpful to us in many ways. Look, it is a farm, but where are the animals? Come on, let's see them. Yes, this is a cow and a cow says moo, moo. And we get milk from cow. This is a horse. A horse says neigh, neigh, and it is used for riding. This is a sheep and we get wool from sheep. This is a dog. A dog keeps the farm safe. This is a hen and we get eggs and meat from hen. This is a goat and a goat says meh, meh, and we get milk from goat.